Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method is not valid in the store issue on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if you want to fix your payment method is not valid in this store, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply update your billing information on your Apple ID. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and then open settings on your device and then go to your profile and then go to payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. And from here you have to simply add all the billing information correctly. So guys, add your debit or credit card, and after this give the number of your debit and credit card and then give expiry date and then give the security code and then go to billing address as well. And from here add all this information correctly and then change your country or region according to your debit or credit card or your residential country. So guys, simply select your country or region correctly, and after this save this information on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to your profile, scroll it below all the way, and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and then sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.